comes, we start our day. English finds a simple way in our thoughts and things we say. English is part of our day. We hear English soft and slow in a song or on a show. Little words begin to stay. English is part of our day. We don't push, we don't try hard. English meets us where we are. Small moments help us say English is part of our day. English is part of our day. In a calm and gentle way, we listen, read, and sometimes speak. English grows week by week. English is part of our day. In our life here to stay. Little steps along the way help us learn it every day.
At our desk or on the street, English words we sometimes meet. Simple signs and phrases say English is part of our day.
In the evening time to rest, we review and do our best. No more pressure, no delay. English is part of our day.
We feel safe, we feel okay,
Learning English every day.
little habits gently stay.
English is part of our day. English is part of our day. In a calm and gentle way, we listen, read, and sometimes speak. English grows week by week. English is part of our day. In our life here to stay. Little steps along the way help us learn it every day. Not a task and not a race. English fits our daily pace. Slowly finding its own place. English stays with us.
We learn words from daily life, morning time and night.
Short and simple, clear and kind. English stays in mind.
We feel happy when we see English feels so naturally.
Step by step we softly say English is part of our day. English is part of our day. In a calm and gentle way, we listen, read, and sometimes speak. English grows week by week. English is part of our day. In our life here to stay. Little steps along the way help us learn it every day. English is part of our day.
Soft and steady here to stay.
With time, patience, and care.
English grows